For Houston resident Bentley Johnson, filling up his car doesn't cost much these days. But getting a bargain at the pump is one reason Johnson lost his job.
Nothing on this earth makes you feel more worthless than being unemployed. Nothing.
Johnson is one of many oil workers laid off in Houston after oil prices plunged nearly 75% from their peak in June 2014. After spending 8 years working his way up at a fracking company, Johnson was let go from his drill site job about 2 years ago. After sinking below $30 a barrel in January of this year, prices have recovered a bit, but Johnson is still out of work.
It's hard. It's really difficult. You try not to think about it all the time. You try not to let it eat you up.
Johnson says he got another job offer only to have his hopes dashed in a phone call from his new boss, just hours before he was due to start.
And he goes, well, you just need to turn around and go home because, your offer of employment here has been rescinded.
According to industry analysts based here in Houston, the energy sector has shed more than 350,000 jobs worldwide since the oil price plunged, and around 1 in 3 Texas oil workers have lost their jobs in the downturn. And although prices have now rebounded to about $50 a barrel, bankruptcies still continue.
When they financed their business most recently, oil was at close to $100 a barrel. They borrowed a lot of money and it was a good time to drill wells. Now the price is cut in half and they just can't service that debt.
Now, with billions of dollars in drilling projects on hold, analysts worry energy companies emerging from bankruptcy won't be in a position to boost production when the market eventually recovers.
Oil companies who were drilling heavily on debt prior to 2014 will find it difficult to raise their debt. In fact, their first job, when they start getting cash positive, will be to pay down the debt and strengthen their balance sheet. So there's going to be a financial delay.
The Fed stress tests.
Meanwhile, Bentley Johnson is making ends meet by playing the stock market from his home computer. He hopes he'll get back to the Texas oil fields when energy companies start hiring again. Steve Mort, CCTV, Houston, Texas.